Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Weeklies. Good evening. My name is Josh, and today I'm going to discuss about the Litecoin Bitcoin forecast using AI technique, and I will be presenting three scenarios: the base case scenario for Litecoin in terms of Bitcoin, the second is bullish case scenario for Litecoin valuation over Bitcoin, and the third is bearish case scenario. And for this particular analysis, I have used the time period from November 2017 till June of 2023, and I have broken down the chart into two different cycles: one till 27 from 2017 till end of 2018, and from 2019 till 2023 June. And that's the reason you on the screen you can see that even though the peak, and this is the color codes are from a dark green to dark red based on the historical overvaluation and undervaluation calculated by using z-score. And although the valuation was lower in 2019 because it's a different cycle, and for this particular cycle in 2019 this was the peak, whereas in terms of the 2017-2018 cycle, even though the valuation was higher, the deviation from the bottom wasn't that great. That's why the color code is only light red or orange. And with this monthly average price chart that you're seeing on the screen, this denotes that how many Bitcoin fraction of a Bitcoin can you get for one Litecoin. That means if you sell Litecoin for a Bitcoin, you could get in 2018 you could get almost 0.02 Bitcoin. But ever since that point in 2018 February, this trading pair has been putting lower highs consistently. You can see that if you draw a straight line over from on this trend. This trend has recently been broken in December of 2022, and since then the channel, if you draw a line, it should have had significantly lower lows. Although this channel has broken out in 2022, that's why this crypto trade piqued my interest, because and that's why I created a AI forecast using ARIMA technique, and I'll be presenting the three scenarios shortly. Before we go over that, let's check where the Litecoins pair with Bitcoin, the trading pair, is finding its current valuation. So the low point for this trading pair was June of 2022, and as you know that the halving for Litecoin is scheduled sometime in August of 2023. Its z-score for the month of June of 2023 was the last value that you're seeing on the screen is negative 0.71. And if you have been following the altcoin related videos that I have made with altcoins USD pair on this channel, you could see that Litecoin's valuation in terms of Bitcoin is also in the range of many altcoins out there, which are trading in the range of negative 0.5 to negative 0.85 range. And that's why the color code associated with its current valuation is dark green over here. And with all of this data to the input to the AI model, these are the forecasts are in the color to your right, bottom right, in the color of white, and these are the monthly average forecasts from July of 2023 till February 2024, and not financial advice. This is use of historical data to forecast, only using data as an input, and also some statistics which would help inform a bearish and bullish bias later on in the second and the third forecast that I will be sharing. So for the base case for this pair, the AI model assumes that the trend will stay. First, it will have a rally in July, and then the pair will have a slow decline till September, and then the sideways rally or sideways trading till December, and then a small rally in January, and that would get sold and have a slightly lower valuation in February of 2024. In terms of the raw numbers, the percent gain that the AI model assumes in July is about 10 to 15%, and slowly it will bleed till September, where the valuation in September will be fairly close to the current valuation that the pair that is Litecoin in terms of Bitcoin has, and then this current valuation will hold till December of 2023, that is the end of the year, and then it's slightly higher value in January and slightly lower value that would be not less than 5% lower from where we are right now. That's the base case scenario for this model, for this AI model. For the bullish case, that this the second scenario that I want to discuss is because there might be a bullish bias in the market, especially with this trading pair with Litecoins having coming in August of 2023, as well as macro. There could be a scenario where macroeconomic environment might favor risk assets, and I like to cover all the three cases for any trading pair to inform you what are the all the possible scenarios for any asset out there that I'm covering. So in case of its surge to a bullish side, to the bullish bias, immediate surge to the bullish bias, the model forecasts in that scenario a valuation almost twice, a little over 100% gain from where we are right now in July, and steadily the valuation lowers till September and has a slight rally till slight sideways movement till trading movement till November, and a crash in December, and then a rally in January and February. The range is almost from 100% higher from where we are to the low point is almost still I would say 70 to 80%, 60 to 70% from where gain from where we are. These are a theoretical ceiling if there are any rallies for the Litecoin against Bitcoin. This is the point where they're likely going to find some resistance based on historical data as an input, and you can also see that this valuation is pretty close to where the pair that is Litecoin Bitcoin had its major resistance in during the May 2021 valuation, or the peak of last bull market. So that's how the bullish end of the forecast looks like. The third scenario that I would like to discuss so as to what could happen in case we have a bearish bias, and what is the bearish scenario for Litecoin in terms of Bitcoin. So if let's say Litecoin gets sold off more than Bitcoin in the coming days, the model has forecasted that the low that this trading pair formed in June of 2022 will get tested sometime in August September time frame, which can happen because Litecoin often tends to have a downward movement after its halving, which is again in August of 2023. So in that scenario, maybe this is the bearish case for the valuation of Litecoin in terms of Bitcoin, that is a decline from this level till to about 33% lower valuation from where we are right now in September, and then again a sideways rally till sideways moment till November of 2023, and this model has forecasted a new low, a major new low to be formed in December of 2023 with a valuation of almost 50% from where we are right now, and then in January and February the rally is slated to be taking out the sideways. That at that time I would imagine the resistance that would be formed, and with a valuation of almost 30% lower from where we are right now. So this is the bearish case scenario for Litecoin in terms of Bitcoin. So to summarize, the base case is a rally in July and then sideways, essentially sideways till February. A bull case is 100% gain in January, in July, and till the range till almost 60% gain in sometime in December. The recession, or sorry, not recession, the bearish case scenario for Litecoin Bitcoin pair is forms a new low in December of 2023. So these are all the forecasts pertaining to the Litecoin Bitcoin trading pair. So I hope you like this content. If you did, please give us a like or subscribe to our channel, and also check out the other pair trades cover on this channel. I will also mention a few. I have also mentioned a few more videos on the end screen. So do check them out, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.